Okay, here we go. We're going.
We're going. Yeah, we're
right
going.
now.
Yeah.
It is going.
Alright, open that up. Sorry, I'm your way.
Okay, sir. Open this up. Pizza dough.
You can smell the aroma of that processed
Don't put that on yet.
piece of sauce dough. Piece of shit. Oh, that makes it look better.
Like, garlic on there too. I think it's good as fuck. The burp adds more flavor.
Nutella crunch cheese blueberry burp.
How we do it? What a waste.
No. Put the whole can on there.
Let's say breadsticks, bro. Have the shit.
The garlic bread.
Yeah, I had like 3 pieces.
Yeah. 1.5 for each of us.
Yeah. I think that's my garlic.
There we go.
I want to eat that.
Spiral consistency.
Yeah.
You don't know that? Yeah. I love my cheese. I do. Just saying, okay?
Oh, sausage.
Oh, here, put on a layer of sausage and I'll put on a little more cheese over it. Let it melt in.
Fuck.
Did I lose it already?
Oh, found it.
Okay.
More than that.
I know, I was going to put some sausage on over it and then sprinkle the cheese on top and let it melt into each other. Oh! You know, it sounds delicious. It does. Just a whole bag of cheese. I need to put the
I dumped the whole fucking bag in there.
whole bag of cheese.
Oh, not the whole. No, that's disgusting. That's fucking gross, dude. Yeah, it is. Yeah, and I'm also fat, and I don't want my arteries to clog. I have diarrhea all night.
No. If your arteries clog, you won't have diarrhea all night. You'll be stopped.
Yeah, I'll be dead.
No, yeah, you'll be dead.
It's good sausage too. It's breakfast sausage. It's like Papa John's.
Piece of Papa John's.
Yes.
I love Papa John's though.
I didn't wash my stuff with my shoes on. I didn't wash my hands before I did this.
Fine.
I had them all over my nuts too.
Yeah, same here. We're gonna have nut cheese and
The nut pepperoni. Cut that up.
that'll work.
For you vegetarians out there.
Yes, always vegetarians. You gotta think about that. Nicola's here, she'd be proud.
Oh really, because we're putting sausage in.
Well, for this part, okay? For this part.
Yeah.
You know, I don't want this on my half, so.
Oh. Italian seasoning.
Is that good enough for you?
You dig?
Yes, I do dig. Very much so.
More garlic.
Is that good for you?
Yeah, I'm probably not gonna eat it then. It's like, be one of those things that I pull off. Okay. Oh, you dick.
You're good. We're good. Everything's fine. Where's my towel? There it is.
Butter leaking everywhere. Help me out here. Okay.
That's a good shot.
You grab this.
Okay.
Walking.
And we're walking. We're walking. You want to come, Harry? You can come. And there he is, the master chef.
Hey.
And see the master
Come on,
dog?
buddy.
Harry.
Okay, whatever.
Lick up some butter. Come on, master dog. There's the master dog.
Master dog, master everything.
Master dog, yes. Master grill. Right here. That's perfect. That's the money shot.
Like clean up
Very well. To make sure there's no processed food all over your pizza. That would be bad.
Turn the heat down a little bit here.
Alright.
Now.
Slide it on.
Ah, yeah.
Push that a little further. Oh, a little bit, right.
Okay.
There we go. And that, my friends, is how you make a pizza.
On the grill. Mmm,
Pizza.
smells good. Put some of these on too. I'm gonna cut those up and dunk them in the extra sauce.
These look delicious, don't they? Yeah.
Show them the flip side.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's burning.
That's means it's done. That up there.
We'll put these up. Oh. Yeah, put these up here. Still telling you, I think we should flip them over.
I don't want to flip because it'll get all over the grill. So it'll be gross. And when you pull it off, everything will fall off. Everything will fall off.
We'll sear it.
Put it on the bottom then.
Oh, it'll work.
Okay, I'm gonna catch it on fire.
Searing it. That's what this is. It's a searing.
Okay, take that one off then. Yeah,
It works. It worked well.
like I just said, all the cheese came off.
We have more cheese. All right. Quickly burns. It was an idea.
It was a stupid idea.
Done and finished pizza. Now all it's left to do is eat it. Isn't that right, my good sir?
Right.
Yes. Come on, Master Dog. Inside time. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hurry.
Come on, buddy.
Come on. And that's my truck. My beautiful truck. Ford F-150. So beautiful. Lovely. That's our aunt's car. What's the problem?
I want to watch a movie with our pizza, but I don't know what to pick.
Well, whenever you're watching a movie with your pizza, you have to have something with testosterone. Explosions! Shooting!
Born?
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!